In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reorder or rearrange pages in a PDF file for free without using Adobe Acrobat. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got a PDF file here and the software I'm going to use is PDFGear, and this is available for Windows, Mac OS, iOS and Android. It's a free, easy to use PDF editor. So you can download and install it, and I've gone ahead and downloaded and installed it on my computer, and this is what the home page looks like. Now, from here, I'm going to open the file I want to reorder or rearrange the PDF files or pages for. So I'll click on Open File and navigate to the folder with the PDF I want to reorder. Click on it and click on Open. Once I do that, it's going to open up in a new window, and I can actually just minimize this. And we have our PDF there. It has about 17 pages, as you can see here, and I can scroll down just for viewing purposes. So let's assume there is an issue with the order of that particular PDF. To reorder or rearrange the pages, just click on Page right here. And once you do that, a new window is going to open up, and it has all your slides arranged in order. Now, let's assume slide number 16 or page number 16 needs to go maybe to between page 2 and page 3. Now, you need to left click and hold. But before we go there, you'll see there's a checkbox under each PDF page. And then once you hover over a PDF page, we get the rotate button to the left, rotate to the right, delete or add a PDF page. But for this video, we are going to be doing a reordering. So let's say we take left click and hold, it's going to be checked, and then drag over to where you want it to be. Let's assume it's between page 2 and page 3. Let go. Are you sure you want to reorder the selected page or pages? Click yes. So once you look at that, your pages are going to be in that particular order. Now, quick note, you need to uncheck this particular page that you've just reordered right there and then. And the reason is simple. And I'll just do a simple example. Let's say I take page 14 to between 11 and 12. If I drag it there, it remains checked. So let's assume you had another page you wanted to reorder, like this page 15 to between 7 and 8. If I click on it and left click, you'll notice that page 12 that we just reordered is also checked and now highlighted as well. If we move this right here, see what happens? Are you sure you want to reorder the selected pages or page? Click yes. Now see what happens. Page number 12 that was there now becomes 8 and this becomes 9. So always uncheck these once you're done reordering to avoid kind of moving pages where you do not want them to appear. So that's it for the reordering, but finally make sure you save. Now, if you click on save or press on Ctrl S, it's going to overwrite the original file that you have. So click on this particular one here, save as, Ctrl Shift S, click on it to save as a copy. Click on save and your copy is saved. If I close this and go back to my folder, I now have two PDF files right here, the original and the copy. So if I just double click on this and we look at the changes we made, let's go to page. You can already see that yes, what we put in here and then what we put in between page slide 7 and 8 as the double slides that I was mentioning. You need to always check on the checkbox how it looks like, if it's selected or not. And that's it for this video, and that is how you can reorder or rearrange PDF pages in a PDF file for free without using Adobe Acrobat Pro using PDFGear. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.